the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna stop me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, but you'll never reach.
When I feel like this, I'm a moment. When I feel like this, I'm
be okay, okay, okay. Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. What brings aftermath when I hate my attacks?
try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But it's unique because it has like ring in it. If you turn it like this, like how do you call this one? Infinite ring, like 8, something like this. Like it's a cycle ring that represents something like is forever, something like this. Okay, all right. And the bottle is like, you know, it's unique. Can you hold the bottle, please? And it's a grapefruity fragrance for women. Like it was launched in 2010 by Reb'l Fleur. Was created by Caroline Sabas and Marypierre Julien. The top notes are plum and red berries. Middle notes are coconut. It has a coconut, tuberose, hibiscus, and violet. Base notes are beryl, patchouli, musk, and amber. Okay, so this is like how do you say this? Like daring, sexy, and truly memorable Reb'l Fleur. It has much tune with Barbados born Rihanna, roots as it with the glamour of the present life in New York City. The fragrance is represented to the market in 2011. Okay, as you can see in the at the bottom, can you hold it, please? As you can see at the bottom of the bottle, the how do you say this? The label. So you can see the country of origin. It says there like I cannot read because it's small. Like this. It says it's flammable, and as you can see, the bottle is like really nice presentation. Also with the box, it's like a representation of like it's like a masterpiece actually. And how? What can you say about the perfume? Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. According to Teacher Deck, it's really nice, and
It looks so sexy.
yes, indeed, it looks so sexy. It's like
So elegant, right?
elegant. Yes, it's the right word. And also with the box, as you can see, the box is like it's not like this an ordinary perfume. It's like usually celebrity.
Signature
Yes,
perfume.
celebrity perfume is something like something that is like also the signature perfume. So you can wear this one. And shout out to Jeremy Fragrance, because Jeremy Fragrance always number one mentioning Reb'l Fleur Rihanna as always, and it's always number one on the top 10 list of Jeremy's fragrance. And shout out to you, bro. And this is Max and Sons Perfume, and yeah, I always watch your YouTube channel, and I hope we can meet someday also. All right, and now if you want to buy the Reb'l Fleur Rihanna, we will open. Can you open it, and we will try to test it?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Okay, can you try to spray? Okay. All right. Okay, because you cannot spray because it's new. Just try to pump. Just pump it continuously. All right. All right. Yes.
Right.
Okay. Like this. So the smell is so distinctive. It's. Do you like the smell?
Yeah, of course.
You have the dry down. The opening is like.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
I could feel the sweat inside my bank, all the demons quiet.
So the top notes are fits. As you can see, the smell is really nice. The plum, the red berries, you can see, and you can also smell some of the coconut.
Yeah, that's
The
right.
coconut and the tuberose, the hibiscus,
Vanilla.
hibiscus and the violet in the middle notes, and the base note. You can get the base notes like vanille, patchouli, musk, and amber. So it means that during the dry down, you can see the smell with the patchouli, the musk, the amber, and the vanille. But the opening notes, you can clearly smell the oh my god, the peach, the plum, the red berries. It's nice to smell, and I think this is better when it dry down. Okay, and I think overall this is 10 out of 10 for our lucky customer, and This is Max and Sons Parfum once again, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to buy perfume, signature perfume, you can always buy in my Facebook page, and you can contact me on my Facebook page, and you can subscribe into my YouTube channel. Okay, and this is see you again next time, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.
Wow. Thank you for watching Max and Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.